I told you to leave the freaking dragon alone. What happened? Do you very much keep the garden? You are very red hitting the freaking dragon. When I am here you are afraid of me, right? He was looking for me and wants to avenge it. I did to your most hateful sister of Elisa here you have it. You confused the freaking dragon that was me. And you said Candy froze lightning, right? I was the one who threw lightning at your sister. She was the one who threw lightning bolts at Elisa. Does that rabbit have powers? I am going to show you my powers and they will make you respect the mistreatment of a rat like her. It can't be, he's increasing his powers. Incredible, the guard transformed.
I promise I won't hit a girl, don't scare me.
Jesus Christ. Now you are missing her macho cloud.
It can't be the girl, she's very rare, she has powers, don't come near me.
Amazing hit me with a flying kick that travels very strong. Thank you. She was the one who threw lightning.
Yeah, don't hurt me please, we promise not to hit the freaking girl.
I hope you learned your lesson, don't hit freaking garden. It's a message. But we're going to see me with you. Get out.
Oh my, help, say where the